Hello, hello! So today we're gonna be cooking fish with sabaw or sinigang. Ito po yung ating iluluto, guys. You see this one, it's pompano. Yan. It's one of the favorite. Yan. It's either prito, steam, or sabaw, sinigang. So, ang ihahalo po natin, of course, is vegetable. This is ombok. We call it ombok in the Philippines. Ayan. Tapos maglagay po tayo ng sibuyas. At saka this is ginger. Ginger. Ayan. Ito, maglagay din tayo niyan ng ginger. Tapos kamatis. Maglagay tayo ng 3 na kamatis. Tapos